electricity from sunlight. And it can be direct, as with photovoltaics, or indirect, as with concentrating solar power. And concentrating solar power is where the sun's energy is focused to boil water, which is then used to provide power. And a solar cell or photovoltaic cell is a device that converts light into electric current using the photoelectric effect. And solar power has the potential to provide over 1,000 times total world energy consumption, times the total world energy consumption that we had in 2008, although it only provided 0.02% of this total that year in 2008. And if it continues to double each year, it continues to double in use every 2 or 3 years, or of course less, it will become the dominant energy source of this century. The sun is going to provide us with 7,000 times more energy per day than we'll actually use. Solar energy development, it actually dates back more than 100 years to about the time of the Industrial Revolution. And it was Henry Becquerel who discovered the photovoltaic effect, and that, as I said, deals with the production of electrical current directly from the sun. And although it's used for this now, some of the early photovoltaic applications were actually aimed more towards sensing and measuring light, like with camera light meters, than it was towards actually producing power. Some of the common solar panels are around 12% effective today, and that's around 4 times more productive than they were a few years ago. Still used in 2 forms, like I said, thermal and photovoltaic. Thermal is using heat of the sun to heat water or another working fluid, which then drives a turbine or another piece of machinery, which then creates the electricity. And photovoltaic is producing energy directly from the sun with no moving parts, like I said. Ray Kurzweil, who is an inventor and futurist, he has made some predictions about solar power, saying that it will scale up to produce actually all of the Earth's energy needs within 20 years. Some of his other predictions included the fall of the Soviet Union and also the spread of internet and the wireless access that we've come to know today. Kurzweil worked on this solar energy project with Google co-founder Larry Page as a part of a panel of experts